My Wirkin's here. Let's unbox my Walmart Birkin. Finally! Impossible to get, the most coveted, the most elusive, the harder to get than an actual Birkin, Walmart Birkin. Plus, Walmart Birkin giveaway, Walmart Birkin comparison, Walmart Birkin unboxing. Okay. It finally came in. Finally. Working for my Birkin. Working. Also, my only Birkin now because everyone else is gone. Ah! Oops. Like I said, everyone's gone. Let's unbox my Birkin. The packaging. Very luxurious. Recyclable. Okay, let's go. All right, so really quick, I'll try to talk fast. Recap / update before we unbox, okay? I'm sorry it took so long. But here's why. Plus comparing the Walmart Birkin to a Hermes Birkin, plus Walmart Birkin giveaway. Okay, let's go. January, end of last year, beginning of this year, everyone was going crazy over the Walmart Birkin. I did a video where I unboxed my Birkin as a Walmart Birkin, but now we're gonna actually unbox a real Walmart Birkin. But I said I would buy one and do a comparison because I wanted to see how it was, and then I would do the giveaway. So why it took so long? So I ordered 3. They all got canceled. And I don't remember why they just canceled them. The shops closed, or it was that time when they took them all off the TikTok shop and off of Walmart. I tried to get them on Walmart. Thank you for everyone that sent me the link. I could not get any of them. Then I ordered 2 more. One confirmed, the other one delayed shipped 3 times for 3 months, and then it refunded itself. The other one shipped and delivered, but it went to my P.O. box, and not my close P.O. box, my far P.O. box. But I was out of the country, and I was in India, and then I was in France, and I did not realize that it had delivered. And I guess they only hold it for 15 days at the post office, and then they send it back. So I didn't pick it up, and it got sent back. And then when I tried to get it back from them, the store was already closed and gone and off the TikTok shop, and there was no way to get the package back. It was going back to the warehouse, and they refunded me. And I finally found another one on TikTok shop, which is, I wanted to get the best one, to pair the best one. So I was waiting for a good one to come. Finally got one, I ordered it, and it just came in today. So we're gonna unbox it, talk about it, and then I will do a comparison and a giveaway. But I am also leaving the country again today, so I'm gonna do it, and then we will finish it when I get back, okay? So let's just do the unboxing first. First impressions, the packaging is beautiful, recyclable, sustainable, easy. I can feel the whole bag already. Folded, I can feel that, so it's compact, so you can travel with because it can fold and be compactable. I wonder if it's gonna have crease marks. Packaging is beautifully addressed to me. The shipping label is amazing. Another luxurious feature. It has this easy to open pull tab. No ribbons here. A bunch of paper to get through. No box to open, just an easy tear, and you're in there. Whoa! Okay, another round of packaging for protection. I can see the feet and the bottom, and some paper, and more plastic. Okay? It's taped. Is it? It's taped right here for security. So let's just take that open. Don't want to tear the tape too much because we could save it, and use it for later. Put that right there so it's safe. Here's another piece of tape for later. Another piece of tape, a big one, we can save for later. Maybe I'll use this tape for the giveaway. When I give it away, I can repurpose it. Sustainable. Another piece of tape. I like this tape. It doesn't tear, and it doesn't actually tear the plastic packaging, which is nice. So a lot of times those tapes will tear the packaging. So now I can reuse this same exact plastic. Okay, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces of tape. Thank you, tape. All right, I'm excited. You guys excited? See, reusable plastic bag. And then 2 protectors, cardboard paper protectors to keep it, kind of like the pillows. Okay, so I'm gonna fold it open, and then it has a 3rd layer of protection, this cloth fabric. Okay. Ooh. Okay, here we go. You guys excited? Let's unbox. Right. Okay. All right, first impressions. It has a distinct smell. A little bit different, but not terrible. This fold is leaving a crease, which hopefully that will come out. I will try to make it come out before I give it away. It feels thick. It feels different. I don't know how to quite explain it, but it feels different. But okay, I'll go a longer comparison separately. Let's just do the unboxing. Okay, so it's got this little protector here. Turn lock. These are protected too, which is nice. And then we've got the tourette, the two things here. Plastic on the hardware. And then it opens up. I think this is the same size. That's pretty nice. Okay. I will do my best to get this fold out. I'm really sorry. I don't know why it has this fold. I feel bad. That's what it looks like. For the unboxing, just take these. I'm going to take these off before I give it away so I can do a proper comparison, but it will still be brand new for whoever gets it, okay? So it smells like paint. Got this black little paint stain right there. Just make sure it doesn't have any paint coming off. Okay. Those are the handles. Yeah, pretty good. A little protector back here. The plastic goes all the way through and then comes out to the end, so I think I'll have to tear that off too, or pull that out. So that in here, and then it's got a strap and a lock and an extra a key and a clochette. Okay, and it looks like it's got two little hooks here, so you can make it a strap, so you can make a crossbody, which